Hey guys, in this video we going to be checking out the 5 best baby accessories which are best in rating, pricing, and customer satisfaction. We have listed them based on quality, price, and features. If you want more information on the pricing mentioned on the product, you should check the links in the description below.
As a parent, nothing is more important than your child. But when life gets busy, a little help can go a long way. At Baby Trend, we design kid-friendly products with comfort and quality in mind. We're parents, so we know what it takes to raise little ones through all their ups and downs. With Baby Trend products, we make parenthood that much easier. Baby Trend helps optimize your day. Our products support your kids through every adventure, while ensuring you enjoy what life has to offer. Living a busy life means you need the convenience to support a busy lifestyle. So whether at home or on the go, Baby Trend keeps your children comfortable and safe. With ease of use, our affordable products deliver unparalleled quality, so you can move throughout life while looking stylish along the way.
This is the baby bottle warmer from Groansy. Its wonderful design and simple touch controls make it very attractive and easy to use. It warms very quickly, and its large size accommodates small and large bottles. And it is safe to use. It is BPA-free and always shuts itself off automatically when the job is done. Use fast warming to warm cold milk. It only takes about 6 minutes. To use, just pour in water. Put in the bottles, then select Fast Warming. It beeps when your milk is ready. That's it. Use normal warming to warm milk and keep it warm. When the milk reaches the desired temperature, the warmer beeps and holds the temperature for 24 hours. You can even use the warmer to heat baby food or cook eggs. Just put the food items in the warmer and select Food Heating. You can also use the Groansy bottle warmer to sterilize your used bottles. Just place the items in the warmer and select Sterilizing. And if you freeze your milk, the warmer will defrost it for you. No matter which mode you use, make sure to put the top on when heating. Our attractive and easy-to-use warmer has it all. If you are looking for a baby bottle warmer,
whether baby's sick, teething, or colicky, you might both need a little extra comfort and support the natural way. TheraBurpee Colic and Fever Rescue Kit is here to help. This therapeutic kit can relieve your baby's discomfort from colic, fever, and many other ailments. The top panel is made from absorbent terry cloth to protect from spit up and drool. Below, there are 2 built-in pockets for holding the gel packs. For colic, microwave the warm pack and slide into the bottom pocket. Then place the burp cloth over your shoulder and apply the warm pack to your baby's tummy. You can also use the warm pack for soothing baby with upset tummy or gas. For fever, take the cold pack out of the freezer and slide into the middle pocket. Then apply the cold pack to your baby's face and chest. TheraBurpee works great for nursing moms too. Moms can use the warm pack to alleviate blocked milk ducts or the cold pack to alleviate pain from engorgement. You can even use TheraBurpee on mom and baby at the same time. If you're interested in aromatherapy for additional wellness benefits, check out TheraBurpee with essential oils. This version comes with 2 essential oil blends, a soothing blend with lavender and chamomile, and a wellness blend with eucalyptus, lemon, and frankincense.
I'm also on staff at Lurie Children's Hospital, and I love these teething rings by Newbie because they're so fun and they actually really work well. My son Xander is 6 months old and he loves these 2 products. The Icy Bite teether is wonderful because you can put it in the refrigerator, keeps it cool, and it helps with the teething and the soreness of the gums, and he loves teething on the round part as well. The Wacky Teething Ring, he can really hang on to this for a good hour. He loves all the soft and hard different textures, and the sound that it makes, the crunchy sound, oh, he loves that when he puts that in his mouth. So I definitely recommend these 2 products for teething for all infants and toddlers. Thank you.
Keeping babies clean during mealtime can be a challenge. Prevent any spills and messes with the Baby Silicone Bibs by Kia Babies. Made with food-grade, 100% non-toxic and BPA-free silicone, these comfortable, lightweight bibs have a large front pocket designed to catch dropped food or spilled drinks. So even the fussiest of eaters can get through mealtime with no mess. Plus, this bib is waterproof, stain-resistant, and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Reinforced buttons prevent ripping or breaking, and an adjustable neckband means this bib grows with your child. Easy to store and travel with for mealtime anywhere. Keep mealtime comfortable and mess-free. Create wonderful moments together with Baby Silicone Bibs by Kia Babies.
We hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and comment down below.